Now imagine an application that brought all of your favorite content from Netflix, from Disney Plus, from Amazon Freevee, from Tubi TV, all of that content brought together into a single application, allowing you to find the best movies and TV shows that you can enjoy on your Fire Stick and Android TV. Now, this application is absolutely free. It doesn't require any kind of registration. I'm not using any VPN. It doesn't have any adverts. And with its latest version, updated October 2024, they've now added in so many more repositories, so many more content libraries, allowing you to find the best movies and TV shows for all of your devices. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
And here we can see directly on the Google Play Store, Just Watch Streaming Guide has now had more than 10 million downloads. So very, very popular application. And here we can just see that Just Watch is the easiest way to browse through a wide section of movies and TV shows out there. And it was updated the 5th of October. And that is one of the things I try to do on this channel, which is to bring you the latest updates, the best streaming applications, the best tips and tricks. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you are subscribed with all notifications. Okay, let's now jump over to my 3rd generation Fire TV Cube, and we can start this application for the first time. And when you start the application for the first time, it will take you into the most popular movies and TV shows that are available out there. But what we want to do is to customize this application so it shows the relevant content based on the applications that we have. Let's go over to the left and let's click on settings. And here, for example, you now need to select which are the current streaming services I currently use. These can be free services like Tubi TV or the massive Amazon Freevee, Pluto TV, ITVX, even YouTube. So lots and lots of free options. Then of course you've got the premium services like Disney Plus and Netflix and some of the other ones. So you basically want to go through the list here and just tick on whichever services you currently subscribe to. So let's leave Netflix, Disney Plus and Amazon Prime on. Let's also tick Freevee. Let's also do ITVX. Now, depending on your location, this will determine which applications you see. So for our friends in USA, you will see lots more options in here because you guys just have more streaming services available. You can see My5, you can see Now TV, you got the Magellan TV there, you got Filmzy, lots and lots of options. You've got the Amazon channel. Let's do Pluto TV. Let's try and do some more free ones. You also got Tubi TV down here. So that's now 7 services that I've selected. I can now press back on the remote. Let's go to home now. And this will now basically aggregate the content from those 7 different streaming services and bring all of that content into this application, allowing me to see exactly what's available on all of those different services. So here, for example, you've got some holiday fun. Now, when you hover over a movie, you can see on the top right exactly which service is currently offering this content. So this, for example, you can see is from Disney Plus. This, for example, is from Freevee. This one is from Prime Video and so on and so forth. So for a quick test, if I want to launch this, let's click on that. This tells you some information about what you're about to watch, and it tells you can watch this now directly on Freevee. So let's press the select button. You can see that now automatically launches Amazon Freevee for me. It takes a few seconds, now takes us straight to that content. I can click on watch now. And just like that, guys, in less than 5 seconds, we've now started this particular movie. So there's no point me having access to 10 different streaming services or 5 different streaming applications. Instead of me opening up all of those different applications, I can now open up a single app, and through this application, I can see the content in all of those other different streaming applications. And we can see that's working absolutely fine. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Let's press back again. And that takes me back to Just Watch, and it's even asking you that, is everything okay? How come you've come back to this so soon? But I can click on nothing went wrong. That's now done. Let's go back again. So here we can see some of the different categories. You've got fantasy shows, you've got Bollywood, you've got animation, romance, trending. And here I can click on give me some more recommendations. This will again aggregate the content from those different streaming services and bring all of that content directly onto my homepage. Let's do one more. So here, for example, this one we can see is on Pluto TV. Again, absolutely free, which is called The Hunt. Let's press the select button. It says you want to watch season 1, episode 1. Let's press select again. Click on watch now. And we can see that straight away opens up Pluto TV. And it takes me straight into that. So you can see, guys, with that kind of integration, that kind of linking, it just makes your whole streaming experience so much easier, because with a single application now, I really can go ahead and find the best content that's available across all of my different applications. Let's back out of that. You also have a new section. So this will show you some of the new content that's been added across all of your different applications that you've selected. So this is the stuff that was added yesterday. This was added a few days before that. Lots of different things. If I go to popular, this will now show you all of the popular content across all of your different streaming services. So a great way for you to find exactly what's popular on the applications that you do have, and you can hopefully go ahead and then find a movie or a TV show to watch. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this updated version of Just Watch. As you've seen in the video today, they've added in so many more different content libraries from those different streaming services, many free options to choose from, and of course some premium ones to bring all of that content together into a single application. I definitely think this will help your streaming experience. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, just go over to your application library or your app store, click on search and type in the word just. That should be sufficient. Just Watch, let's click on that. And this is the application you're looking for. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in the Amazon App Store, or if you're trying from an Android TV device, you can't see it in the Google Play Store, I'll also add the latest version directly onto my website. Just head over to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this new version of Just Watch on all of your devices. And just before you go, guys, let me just mention that Surfshark, who are now one of the new partners of the channel, are doing a superb offer which covers unlimited devices. So all of your phones, tablets, Android TVs, Fire Sticks, Fire TV Cubes, Windows machines, Macintoshes, all of your devices will be covered with a single subscription. You can then change your IP address. You can then change your virtual location. And of course, not only have they got a zero logs policy, they've also got RAM only servers, which means there's just no disk writing at all. So as soon as that server is restarted, all of that information is instantly wiped. So to get that kind of security, to get that kind of protection for the price of less than 1 cup of coffee a month, I really think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. If you're not interested in the extra protection, the antivirus, anti-malware, you can go for the Surfshark starter, which is just £1.69 a month, which is about $2. You still get the same superb VPN for all of these options. It's just these two ones on the right give you some more extra security features. I will leave the link in the video description and pinned comment. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for that. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.